compact screwdriver set by Wera. It comes in a convenient carrying case and consists of a screwdriver handle and 18 interchangeable bits, as well as a hook and loop fastener strip for Wera to go system. The ergonomic two-component craft foam handle assures precise work. Its compact shape and short blade is particularly suitable for working in confined screwdriving situations. The hexagonal non-roll feature prevents rolling away from your workplace. Take it easy tool finder system of bits allows for quick accessing of the required tool. The set comes with following types of bits: Phillips, Posi-Drive, Torx, Hex Plus and slotted. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.